Welcome to your Yealink T74W training, brought to you by VoIPx3. This powerful IP phone is packed with features to keep your team connected. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through everything you need to get started. Making a call is easy. Simply dial the number on the keypad, then lift the handset or press the speaker button. To answer an incoming call, lift the handset or press answer. If you use a headset, press the headset button to make and answer calls hands-free. To transfer a call, press the transfer soft key, then dial the destination extension or number. Press transfer again to complete a warm transfer. For a blind transfer, the call connects directly without announcing it first. Call Park lets you place a call on hold in a shared parking slot so anyone on your team can pick it up from any phone. Press a park key to park the call, then announce the slot number to your team. A green indicator means the slot is empty. Red means a call is parked and waiting. Your phone includes a built-in directory with all your company contacts. Press the directory soft key to browse or search by name. You can dial directly from the list with a single button press. When you have a new voicemail, the message waiting indicator light on the top right of the phone will flash red. Press the Messages button, the envelope icon, and follow the voice prompts to listen. If your VOIPx3 account uses voicemail to email, messages go straight to your inbox instead and the light will not flash. Use the volume keys on the left side of the phone to adjust the speaker, handset, or headset volume during a call. When idle, they control the ringer volume. To mute your microphone, press the red mute button. It will glow red when active. The programmable keys on both sides of the screen are busy lamp field keys, showing the real-time status of your teammates. A green light means available, red means busy or on a call. Press a green key to instantly dial that person. Press the right feature button to view additional BLF key pages. Your Yealink T74W has built-in Bluetooth, perfect for pairing a wireless headset. Press Menu, then navigate to Basic Settings and select Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth on, then press Scan to discover nearby devices. Highlight your headset in the list and press Pair. Once connected, your wireless headset is ready for completely hands-free calling. No cables needed. To connect your phone to Wi-Fi, press the menu Soft key. Then go to Basic Settings and select Wi-Fi. Toggle Wi-Fi on if it's currently off, then press Scan to find available networks. Highlight your office network and press Connect. Use the keypad to enter your password, switching between letters and numbers with the soft key. Once connected, the Wi-Fi icon will appear in the status bar. That covers the key features of your Yealink T74W. You're all set to make the most of your VoIPx3 service. If you ever need help, reach out to our support team at support@voipx3.com.